Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best of the best in everyday essentials. Today, we're diving into the best BIC 4 Color Retractable Pen. If you're someone who loves versatility, convenience, and reliability, then this pen might just be what you've been searching for. The BIC 4 Color Original Retractable Pen is a classic and iconic choice for many, and for good reason. Whether you're at school, at work, or at home, this pen's multi-color feature makes it an ideal tool for all your writing needs. With 4 ink colors in one pen, black, blue, green, and red, you can switch between them with just a click, making it perfect for color coding, note-taking, or even crafting. What stands out about this pen is its medium point of 1.0 mm, which ensures smooth, consistent lines. The ink is long-lasting, so you won't have to worry about running out of color mid-project. Plus, its retractable design means no more worrying about losing caps or ink drying out. Just click, write, and you're good to go. The comfortable wide barrel gives a great grip for extended writing sessions, making it a practical choice for anyone who writes a lot. This 3-count pack offers you multiple pens, so you're always prepared to tackle your next task. Each pen is designed with a plastic clip, making it easy to attach to notebooks or pockets, ensuring that you always have it with you. Whether you're using it for work, school, or personal projects, the BIC 4 Color Pen offers unbeatable convenience, longevity, and style. It's clear why this pen has earned such a loyal following. So, if you're looking for an all-in-one solution for your writing needs, this BIC 4 Color Retractable Pen might be just what you need. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Be sure to subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there. See you next time.